Activating the panic button. To activate the panic button, simply click the Send Alerts button located on the Agent Alarm home screen. Once you've activated the panic button, your preset contacts are sent emergency text and email messages which contain your GPS location. Furthermore, once you've activated the panic button, an 8-second countdown to call 911 begins. If you require emergency services, let the countdown expire and your phone will automatically call 911. If your situation does not require emergency services, simply click the radio button to off to end the countdown. Even if you end the countdown, emergency messages to your family and friends will still be sent. If the situation resolves itself, enter your deactivation code to notify your contacts that you're okay. Agent Alarm. You're never alone.